Okay, so we're gonna go down this street. It's called Rua da Alfa. Can't really pronounce that very well, but that is right there. So we're gonna basically walk down the street, and this street has a lot of it's called part of San Malo, and it's part of the Filipino community, so there's a lot of Filipino shops, and we're gonna explore it and let you see what it looks like through the camera as well. So okay, stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are on our street, and we're gonna go down. Actually, it's kind of cool. There's a nice church up there as well, so we're gonna go downhill though and explore this particular street. It's basically streets that are kind of cool in every direction around this area, so we could definitely explore down one of these. We could also go up into these churches and temple, Catholic, Jesuit stuff, but we're gonna follow this one. So this is I kind of think of it as like a Filipino street, because you'll get a lot of Filipino food, and we're gonna show you some of it. This one right here is Philippine bread called anak. So and they sell like pandesal, which is kind of like the salt bread. It's really tasty. So let's keep checking out more stuff. Here is a salon. I don't know, Philippine airline. So they're doing some. Let's just check out more stuff down here. Kara Mart. So that one has looks like it has Indonesian as well. Let's just kind of see what some of it is. We got some wines. Some of these tequila. Okay. Quite crowded on these streets. There's Indonesia reference. This one is Filipino food. So it's all a Filipino restaurant. This one is called Rua da Alfa. We did another film. There's some of the paintings of it. There's some people that are doing some artwork on that street right now even. Let's just kind of sneak down. So this one is Rua da Alfa, but we're gonna keep going down the street. It's so crowded. It's hard to go down this street. Yo Mart. Sunday's a very popular day. Let's check out. So this one has, they got San Miguel beer, and there's also live music in there sometimes too. Red Horse. So you can see some of the stuff they have. And this is all Filipino food. So it's pretty popular, basically. Let's see. There's a little temple straight down this way. Just kind of show you real quick. Oh, I guess we feel committed, so we'll have to go around now. Some hats. Cool. So yeah, we got some okay, let's get back on our Filipino street. So let's just go back. So now we're gonna go back on up. Okay. So now we're gonna head back down again. Gonna go back by our Filipino cuisine place. Actually, if you go up that hill, the original I started with, there's some Filipino barber shops and another Filipino restaurant. So this was a Thai one right there. That one, the pink. So okay. Let's see. Bakery. Yeah, it's just a Chinese bakery. Let's see what else we got here. And if we keep going down, we go all the way down to Senado Square. But this has kind of a lot of cool stuff right here too. So, Rua dos Cules. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is maybe we'll end it in this space. I could walk all the way down to there. Maybe I will. So next, there's a vegetarian restaurant right there too. So this one is Federal Express for Filipino. Okay. There's a Thai restaurant, so there's, I think there was, did we see another Thai restaurant? I think we saw one down there a little bit as well, so there's at least 2 Thai restaurants in this area. There's our vegetarian one. Let's see what else we got. We got fruits, tea shop. So, got all kinds of cool stuff in here. Looks kind of cool with a bike. So we're gonna end kind of near this kind of cool looking yellow building, and that might be the end of our video. It's like and we're gonna end it right there. So Senado Square is down there. That's where the big thing is that I film quite a bit of all the time. The street is blocked off because of construction. Okay, so anyways, we'll walk right to the, some viewers, they might want to see how things are connected, so we'll just walk down a little bit further to Senado Square, and then you can kind of see the context of everything together. Some construction. Okay. So that's the street that we just walked on. We just kind of followed it like that. And then across the street is Senado Square, so we're gonna show you that too. So yeah, that's Senado Square right there. Looks pretty busy today. That's the post office. So yeah, all right. Hope you like that one as well.